Welcome, boys and girls, to A is for Art lesson, and today's lesson is Rainbow Art Car. Let's get started. Alright, to get started, you're going to need your art car template. In this one, I'm using the art car beetle template. The steps say to transform your vehicle into a person, place, thing, book, character, food, 2D. You can have 3D elements or turn it into an animal. You can draw on your car with a pencil and then trace it with a black marker. In this case, I just colored it in with some chalk and I glued it onto a cereal box and cut it once again. To color it in, that's step 4. You can use chalk, oil pastels, crayons, color pencils, markers, paint, or any of the recycled materials listed on the directions like gems, tissue paper, fabric, earth materials, and glitter. So what I'm going to use today is tissue paper, ball it up into little balls, and then I'm also going to twist it into kind of like little lines. So I'm going to glue it in the tire space, window space, and I'm going to glue the line tissue paper along the lines and just following the shape. Since I have some tissue paper left, I'm going to use it and make some really cool hair design on my art car. So I'm going to glue it through on the back, and I'm also going to follow again the rainbow pattern that matches my art car. Now once I've done with all the tissue paper, now I'm going to start laying down my gems, my glitter sequins, and cut it up and try to fill in those spaces, matching the corresponding colors in that space. And there you go. There goes my rainbow art car. Thank you once again, boys and girls. See you next time.